Hello everyone, today I will show you how to live stream on YouTube. And here's how it is done. Before you begin, you need to verify your account by providing your phone number for a code. This ensures you are a real person and unlock features like custom thumbnails and longer videos. To set up your stream, from the YouTube homepage, click the Create button and select Go Live. Instead of streaming directly from your webcam, we will use a streaming software for more customization. Choose the streaming software option. Edit the stream settings. Change the title, description, and category. Example, gaming. You can also upload a custom thumbnail. 1280 by 720 pixel or 1920 by 1080 pixel. In the customization tab, decide if you want live chat and who can comment. Go to the stream settings tab to copy your stream key. This is important as sharing it gives other access to stream on your channel. In your streaming software like OBS or Streamlabs OBS, paste the stream key in the settings and apply it. Set stream latency to ultra low latency for real-time interaction or add a delay if you prefer. Once you are ready, click start streaming in your software. Then go live by selecting go live on YouTube. You can also create highlight videos or add stream markers during the stream. Use the chat to engage viewers, create polls, and manage comments. When you are finished, click end stream and the stream will automatically be saved in the live tab of your YouTube studio. Lastly, YouTube offers a live redirect feature, which lets you send viewers to another live stream once yours ends. Set it up in your settings under Community and share the channel URL of the creator you want to redirect to. And that is everything you need to know about how to live stream on YouTube. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.